This dead beetle isn't moving on its own. It's being controlled by bacteria. A video shows a beetle, partially eaten and clearly dead, yet still walking. How? Scientists believe this could be due to bacteria taking over its nervous system, manipulating its limbs like a puppet. This cicada was likely attacked by a predator, but left partially intact. Since insects don't have circulatory systems like ours, their wounds aren't immediately fatal. The beetle can move until it burns through the remaining energy in its body. Crazy, right? Nature's like a real-life horror movie.